Come test drive this 2024 Jeep Gladiator. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call